I'm going to keep bringing you altcoins all day, and this one's SPX. And anyone that watched me last week on Brad's channel at the Real Infinite Crypto channel on Trader Tuesday, live every single week, we were talking about SPX, and he brought that to my attention. And this is actually creating a high probability move. This high probability move is a cup and handle, and once you break from this cup and handle, there's projections which accelerate price a lot higher than what you think. So how am I going to play this next move and why am I interested? Because since last Tuesday, it's pulled back into a support base, which means entries, which creates opportunities. This is how I'm playing the next SPX move. So a cup and handle, guys, you don't see a cup and handle very often. When you do see a cup and handle and you see a breakout of a cup and handle, it is a high probability move. And there's a way that you can measure the projections for that high probability move. So the first things first, we're going to stick our resistance line on there. This is our resistance line. This held for such a long period of time until we've broken through. Now, we were talking about it, the breakout on Brad's channel, and I managed to get the breakout, but I'm looking for a retest now. So you can see that we've broken out and we've come back. And if I dive into the 4 hour, you'll see that a little bit more clearly, how we've come back and we've tested this area as support, tested it as support. This is the area that we do need to hold. And this is the ideal entry point, which is $1.72. So if you start seeing price hover around here, what does this do? It allows for the momentum to be pulled back for the bulls. We go back out into the daily, the momentum to be pulled back for the bulls so they can coil up for the next move. So the stochastic RSI at the bottom here is going to do one of two things. It's either going to come oversold as we maintain these key levels, or it's going to do something like this, just hover around and then push up for the next swing to confirm that this level is actually the new support base and regain this level for the bulls. So there's two things that we can do as far as the indicators are concerned, and that's what we're waiting for. One thing that indicates that we do need some kind of a pullback and that you could get price cheaper on this, one thing is this. Into the daily, you can see we've got a bearish divergence. What is a bearish divergence? It's showing that the price is putting a new high and the RSI, which is indicating buying and selling pressure, is putting in a lower high. Now, one thing that's good from this is we've had a breakout. We've had a breakout and then we're trying to push through. And if this RSI pushes up here, it comes back and tests the previous high, then this divergence will be invalidated. So it is a case over the next couple of days is watching. And over the weekend, if we hold this level here, as momentum starts pulling back on the RSI, expect another acceleration to the upside and expect this level here, get rid of that, expect this level here to be confirmed as support going forward for the next few months. So let's zoom out again. Get rid of the indicators. How do you measure a high probability move like a cup and handle once you've got a breakout and once you've got a retest? Simple. From the bottom to the top, and then we're measuring projections. So you're measuring projections and you measure projections from the breakout. So the breakout is $1.70 and the projection for this is $3.26. If this move is confirmed, guys, you see these patterns play out time and time again. Inverse head and shoulders, exactly the same thing. You measure it from the neckline to the tip of the head, projections from the breakout, and watch how time and time again these things play out. So this is a daily, guys. It's took, don't forget, for this move here, it's took 35 days for that to play out. So what I'm saying is don't expect that to go there tomorrow. Don't expect it to go later on today. But that is the projection from this move of a cup and handle. And that's how you can play the projections. And that's how you can measure exactly how far price is likely to go on the breakout. If you did find this useful, guys, get yourself in the Discord group. Ask me questions in there, ask me video requests in there, chart requests in there. We do all sorts. Like I say, it is completely free. So get yourself in there. I'm going to be doing loads of videos for you over the next couple of days since the market is bullish and since the market's pulling back into opportunity levels. If you did enjoy it, guys, don't forget, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell and make sure that you're notified each time that I push a video out there. And I'll see you in the next one.